Kids, let's begin our lesson. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the health guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the health guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together. Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. You need to eat more fish and carrots. Fish and carrots can make you see clearly. Carrot and egg noodles. Let's leave the dough for a while and work on other ingredients first. Having eggs every day makes you healthier. The dough is ready. Let's start making noodles. Noodles are delicious and nutritious food. A big bite of carrot gives you a brighter sight. Fish steak. Drag the tap to defrost the fish steak with running water. Fish is very healthy food that's tender and yummy. Let's find out what kind of seasoning is needed for the fish steak. Drag the fish steak and coat it with flour. The fish steak is done! Let's move it on a plate. Heat up all the fish gives you clear sight even in the dark. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So delicious! Guardian, what should I eat? Leave this problem to me. Do not be a picky eater. You have to eat a variety of foods. That's what makes you strong. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the Health Guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the Health Guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together. Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. According to your condition, these two kinds of food are recommended. Fruit and vegetables enable you to poop easily. Mashed potatoes with corned beef. Pineapple rice. Cut the pineapple first. Rice could give us energy. Steam the pineapple rice. Eating rice, fruit, and vegetables enables you to gain strength. Steak. Beef can provide us with lots of energy. Let's make the steak sauce first. Then brush the sauce to make it tasty. Having eggs every day makes you healthier. to turn the steak over. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Eating beef protects the body against the bad bacteria. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. Healthy food is so tasty.